What's up, people? It's Tawanda Chimangariso, T1 from the Zimbabwe Fitness. So today, it's a new year, 2023. So I want to help those beginners who want to start working out this year, or even people already in the workout, but they want to learn something new. You can do exercise shoulder once, which I call it superset. You only do 3 sets or 4 sets. So you start here, you choose your weight, works better for you. Shoulder press, you come here, you do the upright, you come to the dumbbell, you do flies. So I like to do 8 to 12 reps. On the upright, I do high reps, 12 to 15. On the flies, same thing, 12 to 15 or more. You repeat that 3 times or 4 times, you'll be better. Your shoulder, you grow fast and you get stronger faster. So let's go. You gain muscle fast. Let's go. Eight reps. Come here. Let's go. Now you do flies. Oh, the burn, man, it's burning. So try this exercise. Comment below and tell me how it feels every time you add to your shoulder workout. So 8 to 12 reps, choose your weight. Then you go down, do the upright, 12 to 15 reps, pick your weight as well. The flies, don't do heavy weight on the flies. So find a good weight where you end up not swinging your body. You control the weight. Do also 12 to 15 reps. The rest, if you're a beginner, 90 seconds rest. If you're already in the game, you know the minimum rest you need. So let's go. Try it on. Comment below. 2023 is yours. Let's kill it. Peace.